Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today we want to release a review Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra for you. So sit down more comfortably and let's start. Screensaver. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra led the charge for the best Android phones in 2021. It packs in all of the features you could possibly want in a phone, especially if you prefer big screens. While it lags behind some of other top contenders, it's still a very good device for any Android fan out there. For $11.99, or $100 more than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, you will get dynamic 6.8-inch display and dual telephoto lenses for crazy zoom power. Plus, the S21 Ultra supports the S Pen, a first for the Galaxy S series. The Galaxy S21 Ultra comes in a sleeker design and offers faster performance from Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 chip. And, unlike the regular Galaxy S21, you don't have to make nearly as many trade-offs. You get a better main 108 megapixels camera, a glass back instead of plastic, more RAM and a higher res display. Of course, since we reviewed the Galaxy S21 Ultra, Samsung updated its phone lineup with the Galaxy S22. The new top-of-the-line Galaxy S22 Ultra is an improvement over this model. Our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus Galaxy S21 Ultra comparison details in what ways, and we'd recommend the new device instead of this one. Still, at the time of our Galaxy S21 Ultra review, this was one of the best phones money can buy for those willing to pay a premium and one of the best Android phones overall. The dynamic display on the Galaxy S21 Ultra delivers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and sharpest WQHD resolution at the same time. And it's amazingly bright and colorful to boot. The dual telephoto lenses 3x and 10x optical zoom get you very close to your subject. And the new zoom lock feature keeps things steadier with digital space zoom. The S Pen support is nice to have, but you have to purchase the stylus and a case to hold it separately. At $1,199. The S21 Ultra isn't cheap, but it's $200 less than the S20 Ultra. However, you don't get a charger in the box or a micro SD card slot. The larger fingerprint sensor is welcome, making the S21 Ultra easier to unlock. The 11.5 hours of battery life is excellent for a 5G phone. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is harder to find these days. Samsung doesn't even offer it anymore. You can still find it from other retailers and wireless carriers, but make sure you're paying less than the $1,199 debut price, as that will get you a newer Galaxy S22 Ultra. The entry-level S21 Ultra includes 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. You can also upgrade to 256 GB of storage and to a model with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The 256 GB model used to cost $1249, basically an extra $50, while you'd pay $1,379 for a Galaxy S21 Ultra with 512 GB of storage. If you want to know about similar models phones, subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye.